Hello everyone, welcome to How Fix It. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery in Asus ZenBook UX461. To disassemble you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, Torx T5, tweezers and plastic tool. In the description I'll add link where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Next, take a plastic tool and begin to open the case of laptop. I recommend using plastic tool so as not to damage the laptop case when you open it. Now disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. You can find the replacement battery for your Asus UX461 using this part number. In any case, in the description under the video I'll add link where to buy new battery for Asus UX461. Well, that's all. You were on How Fix It, and see you guys next time.